Hello guys, Christopher is here. This short tutorial is about how I usually create seamless texture in PixPlant 5. Okay, this is the texture that I have, and we're gonna convert this texture to a seamless texture. 1500 times 1500 pixels. This is PixPlant version 5. This is the texture we're gonna work on, and I will simply just drag. And I will make it double size or details so we can see the seams. Okay, 4096 times 4096 will increase the resolution, and we want to make it more detailed, so we will play with seed scales, and I will just simply drag the area that I want it to be blend with other texture and hit generate. Let's see. Okay, Control Z. I'll go back to 150 again. Then I will do the dragging. Looks fine. Another rectangle dragging at the side. We will just try to make disappear the seams. Another at the top. Let's see what will happen. Generate. Looks okay. Then we'll increase the size, final size 4096. Okay, for the final result we will hit generate, and more detail seamless texture with bigger scale. Okay, we will put it back in 1500 again, and I will try to work on it to make it better. Anytime you want, you can go back and forth, not a big deal. I'll drag here. Okay, my software has crashed. I will do another one. Control Z. I will go back again, 1500 dimension. I will drag, generate. Okay. If you are new to the channel and you enjoyed my tutorial, please consider subscribe so you will not miss my weekly videos. Okay, this time the result is better than the previous one. A little bit at the bottom. Generate. Looks okay, the pattern, just some color are different than other area. I will hit copy and I will paste it in Photoshop. Ctrl V. Yeah. This will be our raw texture or color texture. Extract 3D map. So we will extract other texture from the base raw texture. Takes a while. Okay. This is the base color. I will copy. I will paste it here in Photoshop. Base color. And we'll go to roughness, copy, Ctrl V, roughness. Individually you can manipulate later in Photoshop or even here in PixPlant. Okay, we will try to a little bit manipulate the height of displacement map. Yeah, this is the bottom and this is the tip or the tip of the bump, and this is the bottom area, this is the top area. It was too strong. And when you are satisfied, you can a little bit work on the details here. Okay, I will hit copy and I will go to Photoshop, Ctrl V, displacement map. Ctrl S and normal. Copy, Ctrl V, normal. This is AO map. Yeah, later on maybe I will work on the texture individually one by one, But first I should apply all this texture to the 3D object or 3D project, and I will check it in the render engine. I will check the result if I needed to manipulate the texture. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Take care.